If your smoothie leaves you starving an hour later, you're making it wrong. So follow along with me, Grace, a registered dietitian. I'm going to show you the perfect recipe to make your smoothies keep you full for closer to 3 or 4 hours. So first, we're going to start with some fruit. So that's always what we think about when we're having fruit smoothies. So what I'm going to do is add in about a half cup or so of some frozen berries. Also going to add in half a banana because I have that left over. Another thing we want to add to your smoothie is some type of vegetable. So today we are doing spinach. And again, I'm going to add in about a half a cup or so. You also want to add in some type of grain or starch. I am adding in just old-fashioned oats and about a third of a cup, quarter of a cup to a third of a cup. You also want to make sure that you are adding in a good protein source. So today I am doing plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And I'm doing probably about, I don't know, maybe a third to a cup to half a cup. This is kind of my post-workout breakfast on the go this morning. So I want to make sure that it's going to keep me full until lunchtime. And then always add in some type of healthy fat. So today I'm going to add in a little bit of peanut butter, but you could also do almond butter, nuts or seeds. I'm going to show you guys some more recipes too that you can keep trying for smoothies. So if you want to keep following along over the next few weeks. But for peanut butter, I'm going to add about a spoonful, so about a tablespoon's worth of peanut butter. And then I am also going to add in just some water. So the biggest mistake that I see with smoothies and people saying they don't keep them full is because they're really just doing like fruit juice and water. And yes, the fruit's going to give you some fiber, but the fruit juice is not going to give you any fiber. And so it's not going to keep you full, but maybe like 30 minutes to an hour. So that's why having this big array of ingredients is like building a balanced meal. You've got your fruit, you've got your veggies, you've got a grain or a starch, some type of healthy fat, and a good protein source. So this should keep you full, just like if you were eating, say, eggs and toast in a fruit bowl. So this is a wonderful way to get in fruits and veggies early in the day. But I added in probably about, I'd say maybe a cup of water. And then you just blend this up and it is ready to go. So keep following along and I will show you guys some more smoothie recipes. You will not be disappointed, and they're a super convenient way to get in your fruits and veggies early in the morning or really any time of the day. So don't be nervous either. I hear a lot of people also saying, you know, they're nervous to drink smoothies because they have so much fruit and so much sugar later into the day. I don't want you worried about that because you are getting so much fiber, so much protein from this that it's going to balance out that sugar, those carbs that are naturally present in the fruits. So give smoothies a try and comment below and let me know if you have a favorite recipe and you want me to help you tweak it.